If I offered you a choice right now, would you rather have $1,000 today or $1,000 exactly 1 year from today? What would you choose? Most people instantly say, today. And if you are one of them, you are already using the most important principle in finance, the time value of money. But here is the reality. This is not just about preferring cash sooner. This principle is the backbone of all valuation methods. It is the mathematical reason why every company, every asset, and every project we analyze has a specific price tag. In this video, we are going to look at the relationship between price and time and show you why that $1,000 a year from now is objectively worth less than the cash in your pocket today. Now ask yourself, why did you pick today? Most of you did not pick it just because you wanted to spend it immediately. You picked it because you know that if you have that $1,000 today, you can put it into a bank account. Even with a modest interest rate, that money is going to grow. In 1 year, you will not just have $1,000, you will have $1,000 plus interest. Essentially, you intuitively understand opportunity cost. You are comparing the $1,000 in your pocket against the $1,000 I am offering you later, and you are realizing that later is actually a financial loss. Because you could have been earning interest this whole time, receiving that money in the future is functionally the same as paying a time tax on your own cash. To see the snowball effect, let us look at the multiplier. If you have $1,000 and it grows at 5% interest, you are not just adding money, you are multiplying it year over year. Year 1, 1,000 multiplied by 1.05 gives us 1,050. Year 2, 1,050 multiplied by 1.05 gives us 1,102.50. Year 3, 1,102.50 multiplied by 1.05 gives us 1,157.63, and so on. This brings us to the equivalence principle. If you have a 5% interest rate, $1,000 in your pocket today is exactly equivalent to having $1,050 1 year from now. Neither is better than the other. They are the same value, just at different points in time. The same logic applies as we look further out. Because of compounding, $1,000 today is equivalent to $1,102.50 2 years from now, and that same $1,000 is equivalent to $1,157.63 3 years from now. You see the pattern? As the future value amount gets bigger, the present value required to get there stays exactly the same, $1,000. When we are valuing a company, we want to know what those future larger amounts are worth to us right now. To do that, we use the formal compounding formula. This is how we grow money forward, but to value a company, we have to flip this math to see what future cash is worth today. This is discounting. If you are going to receive $1,340.10 in 6 years, you divide by that growth factor to see that it is only worth $1,000 today. If a business generates cash flows, we treat every year's profit like its own individual future payment. We discount each one back to today and sum them up. Imagine a company is projected to pay you $100 in year 1, $110 in year 2, and $120 in year 3. We do not just add them up. We take each year's cash flow and discount it back to today individually. When we add up the present value of every future year, the final number is the intrinsic value of the business. You're asking, if I pay X amount for this company today, is it a better deal than just putting that money in a bank? And there it is. What we just covered is the absolute core of the most powerful valuation methods used by professional investors. It is the engine that drives a discounted cash flow analysis. But if you are thinking, is it really just this one formula? The answer is no. This is the foundation, but to make this process truly robust, we have a lot of details left to add. We need to figure out how to accurately forecast those future cash flows, how to determine the right time tax or discount rate for a risky business, and how to account for the value of a company that keeps operating long after our 5 or 10-year projection ends. In the next videos, we are going to peel back those layers, add those details, and turn this simple concept into a professional-grade valuation model. I will see you there.